How to switch Microsoft accounts on your Windows 11 computer. So in this video, I'll show you how you can go and sign in with a different Microsoft account. Now all you need to do is first open up your Start menu and then go and click on Settings. From the left hand side, click on Accounts and then scroll down and press Your Info. You'll then need to scroll down again and you'll see Microsoft Account. Now go and click the Sign In with a local account instead. You can then press Next and go and enter the passcode to your computer. Now what we need to do is create a local account, and once we've set up a local account, we can then go and sign in to a new Microsoft account. So I'm just going to leave all of this information blank and press Next. You'll then need to press Sign Out and Finish, and don't worry, this will not delete any of your personal data. So once you're signed back in, go and open back up your Start menu and click on Settings. You can then press Accounts, scroll down and click on Your Info, scroll down again to Local Account, and press Sign In with a Microsoft account instead. Now all you need to do is sign in with the new Microsoft account that you want to use. If you don't already have one, you can press Create One, and you can also go and create yourself a free Microsoft account. So that's how to switch Microsoft accounts on your Windows 11 PC or laptop.